Kim, don't let me down, girl. Cause Kylie Jenner's swim that came out a few months ago, honestly, it just feels like a fever dream at this point. It was so bad. So how is her sister, Kim Kardashian's swim brand, going to compare?
P.S. I got a lash tint. My eyes said absolutely not. Never do that again. So this is how they're gonna look the rest of the video. I'm sorry.
Today, I have several of the swim items that we're going to test out and ruthlessly review. I also got a little something for you.
Well, per usual, I was late to this launch, but it looks like there's still a few things left, so we're gonna get what we can. Okay, this is one of the pieces that I was the most excited about. Yes, it looks like there's still some. I love long sleeve swimsuits like this. I just feel like they're so comfortable and flattering. Protect your skin a little bit from the sun. Okay, so we've got all of the kind of neutral colors and then some blues. Dang it, I wish this one was in my size. I do like this periwinkle one though. I'm gonna try the medium. I'm not really sure if I'm a medium or large in their stuff, but we'll just get a mix and see how it goes. Dang it, this skirt would have been so cute with it too, but it's out of stock. In every color, oh. Okay, back to, honestly, I'm not that mad that these monokinis are sold out. I think they were like the first to go, but I feel like I just would have felt like a busted can of biscuits in it. But you know what I am interested in are these cycle shorts that you can swim in. Skims is finally coming through and giving us the coverage that a lot of us have wanted. I think I'm gonna try this almond color. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it or not, but let's go with a large. And then we need a top. Oh no, you know what I really wanted was the long sleeve version of this, but yeah, here it is. It's sold out in every color, but it's so cute. This top looks really, really nice. Like it's gonna be very supportive. It's adjustable. Let's mix it up and do the ochre in this one. Okay, let's check out this cycle suit. I know it's not gonna be for everybody. It's a very unique style, but sometimes I just want to throw on a super functional swimsuit. Okay, I think anything else that I'm interested in is sold out, but we're gonna go ahead and grab these and check out for a total of $286 for 4 pieces.
First, I have to say I'm a little bit disappointed in the packaging of this. It's plain. I'm gonna have to give the point to Kylie on that one. Her packaging was a little bit more interesting. This is what the bags look like. It's the contents of the bags that really matter. First item. Ooh, okay. I'm liking what I'm seeing already. This one is the swim cycle suit. It was $108. We've got the little paper tags. I actually really like that. Even the little sizing tags are cute and color coordinated. Welcome to the try-on room. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! This feels amazing. I don't think I ever want to swim in anything else ever again. This is incredible. I was a little bit nervous about it because there's no like built-in support on the top, but it really doesn't need it because the whole thing is like one big legging for your body. I wish the straps were adjustable because they're a little big on me, but they really nailed it with the detail on this. They even color coordinated the like hygiene stickies that go in them. Another thing that I love is the shorts have this raw edge hem, so it's not gonna dig into your leg, but it's also double lined. I don't know if that's like an aesthetic feature or a technical feature so it doesn't go see-through, but either way, I love it. Isn't this what the men in like the 1920s used to wear swimming? You know what else this reminds me of? Animal Crossing. Our little characters go swimming in little suits like this.
Blue is your color.
I love this blue. When they do a restock, I think I need to get more of this blue because this is like my favorite color of anything I've ever owned, honestly. Well, this isn't starting out very ruthless. Literally the packaging was the only thing I wasn't impressed by. Yeah, I think the only thing I would add to this one is adjustable straps, and that would make it like 10 out of 10. Next, I'm a little bit nervous about these ones. I'm not entirely sure about skin colored swimwear. Well, this one's quite a bit darker than me, but this one, ooh, that's pretty close. So this is the swim plunge bikini top. It was $38. And then the swim high-waisted shorts, $42. So we're gonna see if I like it to be exactly my skin color. I don't think I'm gonna. Or if I like it to be a bit darker.
I think you're literally gonna have to put like something black on underneath.
The top at least. The bottom will be fine.
No, I don't think it will.
I'm gonna try the top really quick and we'll see. Yeah, there's no way. It's so close to my skin color. Okay, I need to go get like a long... Lee, what are you doing?
Why don't you just put it on over the blue thing there?
Really, really good idea. I mean, like I get the skin toned thing for shapewear, Lee. I'm not really sure why you would want that for swimwear. I had no idea that would be so spot on. That's like kind of creepy. I will say the quality of this is phenomenal. Once again, I'm definitely gonna try to get this top in this blue, but with the sleeves. This one does have the adjustable straps, and let me tell you, the quality of these straps is like, it's the same as a luxury bra, which I guess it helps that Skims has done so many bras, so they knew to incorporate that into the swim, but like, the side by side of it next to the Kylie, are you kidding me? Everything is double lined. I am a little bit concerned about whether it's going to be actually water sheerness proof or not. We're gonna test that. You're gonna take me to go test it?
Okay.
Okay. Oh no, it's the tag. I was like, why does that look so weird? Yeah, I'm very impressed. Okay, how am I gonna do the shorts? Just put them on over this too? Here we go. Okay, so they're basically the same length as the blue, but these ones do have like the folded over stitch at the bottom, whereas the cycle suit just had the raw edge hem.
That is the outfit.
Stop!
That is it.
Okay, I have to say I don't like these shorts as much as I like the bottom of the cycle suit. It's not the same. I don't love the elastic waistband. Don't love that there's a front seam. This is definitely my least favorite piece so far. Dang it, I took the tag off. Yeah, returns will only be accepted if the tag remains attached.
Babe, why did you do that?
And here we have the long sleeve one piece. Oh my goodness. Look at the little zipper with the logo. This was $98. Why was this less expensive than the cycle suit? They seem like they should at least be the same. Okay, I'm really excited about this one. 3, 2, 1. You know what the best part of this suit is? For once in my life, I'm not gonna need your help zipping it. Oh yeah.
It's like a wetsuit thing.
I know, I love it. Cute. Okay, same thing. There's no like built-in support, but I think it's okay because it's pretty tight fitting. We'll see once it gets wet. I think I like the medium. I wasn't sure what size to get in all of this, but overall I would say it fits pretty true to size, which is saying something because most swim doesn't. Okay, let's talk about the coverage of this. It's like medium on the back, but the front is phenomenal. Like, let me just side by side the coverage comparison of this versus the Kylie suits. Huge difference. We appreciate it. And it's like, I feel like it's the perfect amount of high cut where it's not like super dramatic, that it's like not functional, but dramatic enough that it's really flattering. I really like this one. I don't think I have anything bad to say about it, do you?
You're hot.
To the water.
Fun fact, these shoes to be Kylie Jenner's. I'm going in. There's nobody else in the water. I don't know if that's a good sign. It's gonna be cold. Woo! It's really cold. Should I just sit right here? Here I go. Oh, no. I gotta get the front somehow though.
Kind of nice now. I'm getting used to it. Okay, well clearly there's no padding in this, but is it see-through at all?
No, it's actually not see-through.
That's good.
I'm gonna go ahead and give the swimwear an overall rating of an A. I was very, very happy with it and it exceeded all of my expectations.
Well, if you're gonna watch another video, you might as well hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, we're trying to pass Kim Kardashian in YouTube subscribers. We're kind of far behind, so I could really use your help. Also, I'm gonna give a couple of $150 gift cards to Skims to a couple of you that subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, let me know in the comments when you subscribed. Leo and I picked out some other videos that we thought you might enjoy down below. Here's my shorts channel if you want some extra hope, and we will see you guys over in the next one. Say bye, YouTube!